Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Collera, your Las Vegas Realtor from Century 21 Americana. Today I'm here inside Kalea Trails. This is a new community owned by DR Horton, and today we are going to feature the 1309 plan. Its starting price, the base price is $340,990. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath and 2-car garage. And I'm gonna show you guys how this new townhome looks like. Welcome to 1309 plan. This is price $340,990. As soon as you walk in, you will see your open layout area, living room, your dining area right here, and your kitchen. I love this peninsula in the middle. This is a model home, but everything that you see here, all the stainless steel appliances included. Refrigerator, oven, microwave, and the dishwasher here. Now let's go check your pantry area right here. Plenty of space. And right here, I'm going to show you guys this room is the 2-car garage, but unfortunately it's locked, so I'm not able to show you. But on the first floor, there is a powder room. Now let's go check the second floor and check all the 3 bedrooms upstairs. But before that, let's check this coat closet here on the first floor. And let's go upstairs and check. So as soon as you land to your second floor, you will see this loft area right here. And this side is your first bedroom. They have a standard closet on this side. Right outside, there is a linen closet. And let's go check this. There's no lights. This is your laundry area. Washer and dryer is included when you purchase the house. And this side right here is your shared bathroom, tub and shower combo, and the single sink vanity. And right this side is another bedroom. There's also a standard closet here. Now I'm going to show you guys the primary bedroom right here. Very nice, very spacious. Love that wall, blue wall. And right on this side, this is your primary bath. It comes with the stand-up shower right here. And single sink vanity. This is a very spacious area. Right at this window, you will see the view of your community. They're actually building homes And this is your walk-in closet. And again, this is the 1309 model home. The price is $340,990. If you are in the market of a new townhome and you have some questions about this new build, you can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. If you want to tour this home, I'd be happy to come with you on your first visit. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit subscribe, like, and share my video. And thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.